Hello friends, this is an wireless all-in-one tester bot, specially designed for testing of phase, neutral, earthing and continuity testing. With help of this we test all kinds of components. For testing we have to connect one finger to the switch, another end to any testing components, and another hand finger for end of loop. As the component shows continuity, the buzzer sounds, and red LED glows. For testing phase, neutral and earthing, we have to put tester into phase, and touch the finger to switch of the bot. Similarly we test neutral and earth, but in testing of neutral and earth, you will get less intensity of LED glows, and sound of buzzer is also less. And testing of phase, neutral and earthing is completely shock-proof. Here we can test phase wirelessly, just put testing end near to the wire and tester sounds beep along with an red LED glows. Now let's begin making a magical wireless all-in-one tester bot. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe and share to our channel for such an interesting videos. Here we are using one BC547 transistor as NPN transistor, along with one BC558 transistor as PNP transistor, one 10K resistor, one red LED for output, one buzzer for output, one DC jack for charging the bot, one on-off switch, one lithium-ion battery, and one holder of it, and 1/2 watt 1 mega ohm resistor. Now connect all the components, as shown in circuit diagram. Circuit diagram also available in description. You can download it from below. If you are facing any kind of problems in making, you just comment us, we are always there to help you. Now our wireless tester is ready. Now we have to assemble it into an enclosure properly. For making in base of our wireless tester, we are using an cover of our old LED bulb. Here we are using a 9 watt and 15 watt cover of LED bulb. Now we are going to mark on cover for connecting switch, DC jack and base of bot, and making an hole on it respectively with help of drill machine. Now it's time to attach our complete circuit onto the enclosure properly.
All I need.
Now our tester is ready for use. If you like our video, please do like, subscribe and share. It will motivate us for making such an useful videos. It take lots of time and efforts to make it. So please like and subscribe. Thank you. We'll meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.